Good day, everyone, and welcome to the 12th session of UP Manila SILab webinar series IOL 2025. And for today, may I introduce our speakers for this session of IOL 201 to present Referral Tracking System at POC stage using FHIR Server. Let us virtually welcome Mr. Noel del Castillo and Sir Pavel Smirnov.
So for today, our outline for our talk is why are we here? What's the current landscape? What's the problem? What's the solution that we are proposing? And how it's going to be availed by the healthcare provider network, the PCPN, the DOH, and how to use RTS. And then for EMR system vendors here, we also have a solution for you in how to convert your EMR data to FHIR data. So about me, I'm Noel. So recently, we just won the gold medal in the 50th Geneva International Exhibition of Invention for the patented SeeYouDoc platform. So about SeeYouDoc, so it's a Philippine-based health tech developer focused on creating integrated and secure platform that bridges the gap between healthcare professionals and those in need of care, basically used as a marketplace for healthcare services for patients. We also have developed a AI-powered modular hospital information management system called Liana. This is really to help them digitize their operations. We have launched an AI scribe to listen to the conversation between the doctor and the patient. So it will be reviewed by the doctor for them to edit and modify. But the good thing, those data already has ICD codes because this is very important for PhilHealth claims. We also have a product called Leon FHIR. The reason why we built this is because we saw a gap in terms of how we can help other EMR vendors try to convert their EMR data through FHIR data. Using AI, we are able to come up with a solution wherein you just pass on whatever EMR data format you have. Then we will transform that into the FHIR bundle resources that is needed for you to send those data to the HC7 FHIR server. So in this scenario, a FHIR server can be a Happy FHIR or an Aidbox FHIR server. Lastly, the NASH RTS, we also saw a gap wherein we kind of need a different application on top of a FHIR server that will allow us to connect other EMR systems in terms of the referral use case. We're here because of the fruits of the digital health interoperability bootcamp which we attended. So we have a blog article about how to integrate Aidbox as an EMR provider. Let's define the terms first before I move forward. HCPNs, this is a healthcare provider network. PCPNs is a primary care provider networks. When I mention healthcare provider, these are organizations that provides healthcare services. Healthcare platform or system provider, these are organizations like us and Health Samurai that provides the tools for the healthcare providers. So currently we have 49 HCPNs qualified for contracting. Then we also have primary care provider network or sandbox sites under the PhilHealth Consulta package. So there's both public and private companies here. So let me explain the goals of UAC for HCPN within a geographic area. So it's an integrated service delivery. We also have population health monitoring. And lastly, efficiency in resource allocation. What's the goal for the PCPN? So for PCPN serves as the foundation of the healthcare access and are responsible for ensuring that individuals and communities receive basic preventive and continuous care. So why RTS is important in UAC? There has been some development naman. One of them is the National Patient Navigation and Referral System or NPNRS, which was initially established to coordinate COVID-19 patient referrals. The NPNRS serves as a centralized system that connects hospitals, health facilities, telehealth providers, local government units, and national agencies. Another initiative was the STAHR initiative, or Strengthening Technology Use for Improved Access to Health and Referral. Then we also have from Bataan, so the BGHMC's online referral system. We also have a referral system wherein we implemented in Parañaque City. It's in a digital health initiative aimed to enhancing the tuberculosis or TB care coordination. We have all of these projects and initiatives, but the problem is we have a fragmented referral system. Another one is a lack of centralized data and analytics. And then lastly, accessibility barriers for HCPNs. So many HCPNs, especially those in resource-limited settings, find it challenging to acquire and implement referral systems. So the solution here is that we have to develop an interoperable referral tracking system and ideally should adopt the NHDR FHIR guidelines, which has already been in the works now by PhilHealth and UP SILab and other groups. They should be able to have a centralized analytics platform, so custom queries and dashboards per HCPN can be done. So if you think of it in a macro level view, what we're doing really in the past few years is that everybody is building a computer. So we have EMR system like a computer whose purpose is to interact with the user, but it's not built for connection. So the solution is we need to have a router, in order for us to connect other EMR systems, and that's the missing part we're trying to do here. Where in the EMR system, like a computer, needs to have a router that will be able to connect everyone.
Yeah, so again, hi everyone, and thank you for having me. So my name is Pavel Smirnov. I am Chief Executive Officer with Health Samurai. we started actively contributing to the FHIR specification. We built quite a bit of open source solutions for FHIR. In 2015, we released the first commercially available FHIR server to the market, which is called Aidbox. One thing which we really like in Health Samurai is, since we build in a platform, we always say that the best illustration of success of the platform is actually a success of the customers of the platform, like what solution you can build on top of the platform. So I want to talk about the difference of Aidbox with other FHIR servers and what makes Aidbox attractive, why you might want to consider Aidbox, let's say, versus free, open source, happy FHIR server.
Some key takeaways. So number one is RTS is built for HCPN and PCPN. And EMR is not the same as RTS. So computer is not equal to a router. And thank you for listening, and we're happy to answer any questions.
Once again, thank you all for actively participating. Let's continue to connect, collaborate, and learn together. To see you in our next sessions. Bye!